अरे यार अब ये ट्विटर पे आ गया है, अब ये बैंड बजाएगा, अब ये गालियाँ देगा, अब ये क्रिटिक्स की माँ बहन करेगा।
साजिद खान जो है वो बहुत ही मतलब
घमंडी है।
घमंडी हैं, एरोगेंट हैं
जो
एंड
था, जो मैं था,
ओके
मैं बहुत घमंडी था। इट्स बेटर टू जस्ट क्वाइटली डू योर जॉब, बी योर सेल्फ, लेट पीपल लाइक यू एंड लेट पीपल अंडरस्टैंड हु यू आर रादर देन यू ट्राइंग टू पोर्ट्रे हु यू आर। अरे, you can speak English? I said, yes, I can. I'm a graduate. Oh, because one sees you on TV and you look like a real tapori. Like Ekta Kapoor killed the family drama सास बहू genre. She killed it. Hi guys, मैं हूँ साजिद खान और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं exclusively only on Bollywood Hungama. I log on to Bollywood Hungama every day. Do you?
you know now, as I was telling you that you had these apprehensions about social media that what will happen and how the trolling can take place.
Yes.
And but the fact is that now when you are on social media, I think you're getting a very good response. I went through some of your mentions and people are extremely I think odd and as well many a times, especially by your I think sentiments on 4K, why it should be there in PVR Juhu and several other comments as well. So are you more comfortable now with the entire idea of being more social and being more in the open?
When I came on Twitter 2 years ago, in 2015 April, everybody started writing about it कि अरे यार अब ये ट्विटर पे आ गया है, अब ये बैंड बजाएगा, अब ये गालियाँ देगा, अब ये क्रिटिक्स की माँ बहन करेगा, अब ये करेगा, वो करेगा, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को गाली देगा. बट मैंने कभी ऐसा सोचा ही नहीं था, बिकॉज मेरा व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू ऑन टीवी, making fun of people's work and films and songs.
Right.
I was stupid, childish, and an entertainer. And I was being paid to do it. You know, I thought Twitter is a personal space which gives you a very strong defendant's point of view where you can defend your stance. If somebody writes something negative about you and you can't defend yourself, you can retweet it on Twitter and say, listen, boss, it wasn't like this, it was like this. It's a good ground for clarification. And then I started thinking and writing things which I feel will go with people, what people are talking about and what they want. Mostly with cinema and gear. I like home theatre gear, so I write about home theatre gear. I like cinemas. I love Juhu PVR. The manager is a good friend of mine. But they have only one screen out of 5 screens which plays back in 4K. But the ticket rates are the same everywhere else. I also wrote one article how 5 tickets can cost you on a good day, on a Tuesday, around 500 rupees. But the food will still cost you 5,000 rupees.
Yeah, that's true.
So that, but then somebody also told me how much PVR Juhu pays the rent. तब मैं थोड़ा faint हो गया सुन के.
Okay, now Sajid, how do you look at let's talk about some of the criticism that has come your way over the years, and because now when we look at Sajid Khan, there's I think a lot of difference in maybe what people used to perceive earlier. Like when you had back-to-back hits, it was perceived that साजिद खान जो हैं वो बहुत ही मतलब घमंडी हैं, एरोगेंट हैं.
जो था, जो मैं था,
okay.
मैं बहुत घमंडी था. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि अगर आपको पता है कि गब्बर सिंह आपके गांव में आने वाला है, तो गब्बर सिंह भेष बदल के नहीं आएगा, वो घोड़े पे बैठ के गोलियां मारते हुए आएगा. सो आई यूज्ड टू एंटर ऑल्सो घमंडी. मुझे पता है कि लोगों को लग रहा है कि एरोगेंस है, तो आई यूज्ड टू एंटर एरोगेंट. Believe me, Faridun, I have done a lot of things in my life for effect. I have never thought, I was never a shrewd person, I still am not. Had I been a shrewd person, I would have not made half the statements I made. Are you understanding? Politicians are shrewd, lawyers are shrewd. You know, certain people, business heads, some business heads, they are shrewd. They know what to speak where and where to speak where. I used to put my foot in my mouth all the time. I used to carry my heart on my sleeve. So I was never shrewd. What I have understood over the last maybe 8 to 10 years,
right,
having seen a lot of success and 2 failures, is it's better to just quietly do your job, be yourself, let people like you and let people understand who you are rather than you trying to portray who you are. People over here still like to believe what they read. Suddenly एक mindset होता है कि अगर छप गया है किसी के बारे में तो वो सच है. वो बेचारे वो नहीं जानते हैं कि वो छपा है किसी PR मशीनरी के थ्रू. Are you understanding? So everybody is real and everybody is fake in this place. Are you understanding? I used to get this on TV a lot. People used to talk to me, "Arey, you can speak English?" I said, "Yes, I can. I'm a graduate." Oh, because one sees you on TV and you look like a real tapori. You look like a real jhopadpatti guy. I said, so argument's sake, if I was a jhopadpatti guy, what makes you think I still couldn't speak English? You know, so I get that a lot. Oh, you know about avant-garde cinema, you know, cinema, blaxploitation cinema of the 70s, the underground movement in France in the 60s and 70s. I said, yes, I know about Costa Gavra movies. Yeah. So, acha, we thought only know K. Raghavendra Rao and K. Bapaiya cinema. So, these are mindsets of people, which somewhere you have also built. I have also built it for the people to believe it.
Okay, and Sajid, when the going is good, everyone wants to get associated with you, be it anyone, be it actors, be it actresses, be it producers, be it production houses. But when the going is not good, and everyone has some theory or the other that, you know, this is what Sajid Khan did, iski wajah se picture nahi chali.
Haan.
How do you deal with that? Because the industry has this
I
very fickle nature that
But it changes every Friday.
it changes, it does.
It changes every Friday. I know for a fact that in the last 3 years, the amount of movies I have said no to direct, fortunately, I mean unfortunately actually, but fortunately they've not worked at the box office when I saw them. These are the movies which I left, or movies which I met and I said no to. You know, I am doing a couple of films now, and the kind of films which I'm doing, they will obviously be in the entertainment genre only. But today we have to subsidize our entertainment by trying to keep it a little logical, a little sensible. Let's not take the people too much for a ride. I think Kapil has already done that to us. You know, Kapil has already killed the slapstick genre in cinema. The slapstick genre, which was available so heavily on cinema and people were going for it, Kapil brought it down to TV. You know, are you understanding? Like Ekta Kapoor killed the family drama, Saas Bahu genre, the social film genre, jo bolte the na, she killed it. She brought it on TV with the, क्योंकि सास भी बहू थी and all those सास बहू shows, तो suddenly family drama and social drama की जो फिल्में होती थी, वो थिएटर में आना बंद हो गई थी. In the last 15 years, which social drama films do you remember, which were a regular at cinemas every 3 months?
Absolutely. Now